So now dear students, it is time to discuss now about the heterotrophic nutrition. Simply you can understand hetero means other and tropic means nourishment. Means when the living beings are taking the nutritions with the help of other living beings like on the green plants by the animals, then such mode of nutrition is said to be heterotrophic nutrition. Now let us understand what is meaning of heterotrophs. Those living beings which are directly or indirectly dependent on green plants for their food are called heterotrophs. Some living beings are directly dependent on the green plants, means they are just like you take an example of the deer. Deer directly take the green grasses. It means it is showing the direct dependence on the green plants. But when the lion is having the deer, it is showing the indirect dependency. So you can term that if any living beings or any living things which are directly or indirectly dependent on the green plants for their food or for their nutrition are called heterotrophs. Means heterotrophs are completely dependent on the autotrophs for their food. Here you can understand hetero means other and trophs means nourishment. So simply you can understand those organisms or those living beings which take the nutrition from the or by the help of the plants by being directly dependent or indirectly dependent, then those organisms are said to be heterotrophs and the mode of nutrition is heterotrophic nutrition. So you can, for example, means the modes of the nutrition found in all animals, means all animals including human beings and non-green plants. Remember here I have mentioned the non-green plants, means those plants which do not have chlorophyll in them, means they need to depend upon in the dead and decayed organic matters or maybe on the other green plants for their nutritions. So these are the examples of the heterotrophic nutritions. Now dear students, it is time to define and discuss about the food making process, that is photosynthesis process. I told you earlier autotrophs manufacture their food by the process of photosynthesis. Means you can understand photo means the presence of the light and synthesis means preparation of the food. Means green plants or the autotrophs, they manufacture or they synthesize or they prepare their food in the presence of sunlight only. They require sunlight, means sunlight है तो food बना लेगा, but not only sunlight, they require other constituent also, means carbon dioxide and water and mineral salts that is absorbed by the plants through their roots and to produce glucose. Glucose is known as the food that plant manufacture by the process of photosynthesis, and along with the glucose it releases the free oxygen for animals in the atmosphere. So now this process can be concluded as a photosynthesis. Simply you have to understand the food making process in green plants of the autotrophs in the presence of sunlight. Air means here carbon dioxide, they require the carbon dioxide and waters and mineral salts that are absorbed from their roots to produce glucose along with the releasement of the oxygen for animals. It's called photosynthesis. Now here you can see when carbon dioxide gas, means exactly plants can take in carbon dioxide gas through their stomata, and you know that they have many tiny pores on their lip surfaces. Through these tiny pores, means stomata, they take in carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is taken through stomata of the green leaves and waters being absorbed through the roots, and when this carbon dioxide in the water and the mineral salts is allowed to react in the presence of the sunlight. Here chlorophyll means exactly the green plants, they have the chlorophyll and main work of chlorophyll is to trap the sunlight, solar light, because sunlight is the ultimate energy, solar energy that plant need to take, and using this sunlight energy carbon dioxide is allowed to combine with the water to produce glucose and oxygen. So this is the one Representation of the word equation of the chemical reactions for the photosynthesis. You have to write carbon dioxide plus water, arrow means sunlight is required, and chlorophyll means green leaves, they contain the chlorophyll, and glucose plus oxygen. While you represent this reaction in the molecular form means 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll, C6H12O6, that is the food of the glucose, plus 6 molecule of oxygen to the atmosphere. 6 is the whole number used to balance the chemical equations both sides, because should not forget, chemical equations or the chemical reactions need to follow the law of conservation of mass. So, this is about the photosynthesis. Now, after this we shall discuss what are the materials required for the photosynthesis process.